Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a rectangle ARC in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already opened this Photoshop program. Then create a new layer. Select the shape. Right click on your mouse. Select rectangle tool. Fill color. I see this fill color. Do not use stroke. Then hold shift, click and drag it, or do not hold shift or custom size. And press Ctrl T. Click this icon or right click on your mouse, warp, then show this customs, and now we can see this ARC. Click here. Now see this ARC. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.